Hello, everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day and a good weekend so far. And welcome to my channel, guys. And happy Mother's Day to all of you that celebrates it. And for the ones who don't celebrate Mother's Day, I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. Got a coloring book just now from Amazon. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to color it. Yeah, I just really love it. I got enough coloring books for right now. So yeah, I didn't get no outer space one. I kind of wanted a nice spring summer coloring book. Yeah. It was dented up a little bit, but that's okay though. But hey, I got it though. That's all I care about. But anyways, if you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Remember to hit the notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys.